Hi everyone. Hey, we're gonna try this again. I tried to do a live unboxing last night and it had some glitches in there and some of the pieces got cut off. So I wanted to do just a regular video. I'm gonna do the unboxing again and then that way you guys can see everything that was on there that got cut off, unfortunately. So without further ado, this month we are traveling to Savannah, Georgia. Now, I am so excited about this location. I've actually never been. It is definitely on the list for places to visit. It's an option for a girls' trip, so I'm super excited about that. And so I've done a lot of research on this particular destination, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. It came out so much better than I ever imagined. And so I am ready to show you guys. So here we go. So when you get your box every month, I actually updated my logo. So of course it's going to be all backwards on my phone here, but I've updated my logo. And when you open your box, you're going to see this. And up here on the top is going to be a card that's going to tell you where you're visiting and a little note from me. And then if you flip the card over on the back, you are going to see all of the items that are in the box. So it's going to give you a little description, possibly how to use them, and all of that good stuff. So, and when you open this particular box, this is what you are going to see. Now, I do have to give you a little disclaimer here. This particular box is a subscriber box. I do have some one-time boxes available that were extras. So subscribers will always get one of these postcards. These are custom designed postcards that I designed for each location. And on the back, it kind of gives you some tips and tricks of the information about the location. And at the bottom, there is a QR code that will take you to a special Pinterest board where you can continue the journey. Now, subscribers do get these every month. And with your very first subscription box, you will get a little photo album that you can keep these in. So you can keep track of all of them. I also include a recipe in each box. This particular one is for a fresh peach cobbler. I am so excited about this one because it's from one of my favorite chefs. It's an Ina Garten recipe. And so, if you know anything about Ina, she's amazing and all of her stuff is so good. So everybody's gonna be getting a fresh peach cobbler recipe. And another quick little look here. I'm gonna try not to break anything in here. There's a lot of breakables in this one, so just so you guys know. Now, the very first item, sorry, I'm gonna go off camera here for a second. The very first item in the box is a peach inspired jute tote. Now, this is so much bigger than what it actually looks. It has a really wide bottom on it. It's a gusseted bottom, so you'll be able to fit a lot of stuff in here. And then it's nice and deep as well. Now, this design on the front, I actually designed this for you guys. And I thought it turned out so pretty on this jute. And anytime I design something for you guys, I do put my initials on here. So it's just a little something from me to you, just letting you know how special you guys are and how blessed I am to have you as my subscribers. So you can keep it as is, or there's some different options. If you want to zhuzh it up a little bit, you can add a cute little bow to it. If you wanted to add a little bow. In your box, these are actually tied up with a ribbon like this. It's just chiffon ribbon, it's peach. And you could take this ribbon and tie it in a bow like this so you have something a little bit longer. So those are just a couple little ideas of how that you can dress up your tote a little bit. Next up is in this little package, and one of my girlfriends, Alicia, she helped me make these for you guys. And I just thought they were so pretty. She did such a beautiful job on them. And it is a freshwater pearl, not peach, sorry, on a 14 karat gold filled chain. Sorry, it's shaking all over the place. The chain is very delicate. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of hard to see. But it is a very delicate chain. So just kind of beware when you are wearing that. But isn't that beautiful? I thought she did such a nice job on these. And then next up is, I learned how to do a lot of stuff with this box because I couldn't find the exact things that I was looking for. And so I decided that I was going to make them myself. So that's what I did. So our next item is a glass, Libby glass. And actually I got it right there. So I etched a magnolia branch on each of these cups for you. And I've never done etching before, and so that was actually a really fun technique to learn. These do come with a glass straw as well as a cleaner. So each one of you is going to get this little 3-piece set here for that. And to go along with your glass tote, in this little bag right here, you are going to get a bag of passion peach tea. And let me tell you guys, this smells so good. Oh my gosh, I can't even tell you. It's so good. And it tastes amazing. This isn't the one I originally had planned. I originally had planned on getting a peach tea from a business in Savannah, Georgia. But when I went to order it, unfortunately, they were sold out. So at the last minute, I had to try and figure out another avenue. And I actually found somebody here in Arizona, and I ordered it from her, and it is amazing. Oh my gosh, they're so good. So it gives you all the instructions on the back. It's by a company called Foxy Teas. And also in that little bag, you are going to get some little tea bags. So I put, I think there's 7 of them here for you guys. If you want to just do an individual tea, you can also do iced tea with this particular one. I love to do sun teas, especially in Arizona because we have sun all the time. So I'll do a sun tea and put several of those little bags in there and set it out in the sun for a while. So that's a little option for you too. Next up is something else that I decided that I was going to make for you guys. And I did a whole bunch of iterations on this because I couldn't figure out which one I liked the most. And so my house smelled a lot of different scents. And so this one is going to touch your scent, your nose. So I don't know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, this is a Magnolia Peach room spray. And oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so good. And oh, I hope you like it. It's not an overpowering smell. I'm allergic to a lot of different things. And so I always had to be really careful with different scents. And this one is a really light scent, so it's not going to be overpowering. And it's really good. I'm really excited to get your thoughts on it when you get these. I would love for you guys to shoot me an email or shoot me a direct message on what your thoughts are on this, because I'm super excited about it. And I'm kind of considering, if you guys love this, I'm kind of considering maybe putting this in my store section on my website. So anyway, it is in a glass bottle as well. So just kind of be warned with that. The last thing on our list is peach buds. Now, a really cool story about this particular company. Now, this is candy, And it's a hard candy with a peachy tang, and it definitely has that tang, a little bit of a bite at the end. They are really yummy though. But this is from a company called Butterfields. Now, Butterfields is a small family business. They started in 1924. And this particular one is actually from North Carolina, but I loved that they did the peach buds, so that's why it is in this box for you guys. But what is so cool about this is it says 3 candy makers stir big copper pots to cook up mouth-watering morsels, prized across a dozen counties. Today, 100 years later, Butterfield still cooks candy with the same copper kettles, the same family recipes, and the same treasured results. So I just thought this was just a really neat story. I like to try and do, as much as I possibly can. I love to support small businesses because being a small business myself, it's always really important for me to support the small businesses when I can. So that is what I try to do every single month when I put these boxes together. This month, like I said, a lot of it was made by myself just because I couldn't find what I wanted. And as you know, I'm very particular about what goes in these boxes because I want these to surprise and delight your senses. I want to take you on a journey of these places. And, everything is supposed to tell a story from the minute you open the box until you consume everything in it. And so I want these items to be usable and consumable. So that's why it takes me forever to figure out what I want to put in these boxes for you guys, because it's something very close to my heart, and I just want it to be extra special for you guys. So that concludes our box. Actually, there is one more thing. On the back of this particular card, this one right here doesn't have it, but if you are a subscriber, you will also get one more thing here. It's a QR code at the bottom of the card that's going to direct you to a curated Spotify playlist that I have put together with different songs. So this one is a bunch of songs from Georgia, as well as artists who are from Georgia. So that is kind of fun. And then a couple more things, and then I will wrap this up for you guys. First thing is I do have about 17 of these boxes left. You can buy them as a one-time box on my website, and it is destinationdelivered.net. So you can buy a one-time box there, or you can sign up for a subscription, and you can still buy this as a one-time box. But if you sign up for a subscription now, it is actually going to start with your May box. And the May box is super exciting. I'm really excited about it. We're actually heading back to Europe and to one of my all-time favorite places in the entire world. So I'm super excited about that. And then one last thing, and this is really exciting, and I want to share this with you guys. I have been so blessed and so honored to have 2 incredible women who have YouTube channels review my boxes. Terry is with Beautiful Destinations for You, or I'm sorry, Beautiful Experiences for You is her YouTube channel. I apologize for that. Terry was one of my very first subscribers. She is an absolute doll. I love her to death. I didn't even know that she was a YouTube influencer as when she first signed up for my box. And so that was like super exciting that she did a box opening for me. And so she just did one for me a couple days ago, and I was so honored, and she's just a doll, and I would love for you to support her channel and support her and kind of get another side of what people are thinking about this box. I've gotten some really, really amazing feedback, and I am so excited about it. And then my second lady, she is equally amazing. She has a YouTube channel called True Once, and she is based in Florida. And She does mostly makeup boxes. So think like FabFitFun, Ipsy. I think Allure is one of the other ones that she does. She's been doing them for years. And her site intrigued me because I used to be a subscriber to FabFitFun. And it was actually one of the things that got me excited about subscription boxes and wanting to start my own subscription box 10 plus years ago. So I started following her and I liked or commented on one of her posts, and she reached out to me, which I was blown away by. And she's just the sweetest lady. Um, and she has started doing small business spotlights and asked if I would be interested in her opening my box on her channel. And I was like, yes, absolutely. And so she did that for me, and it was amazing. And she said beautiful, very nice things about the box. And I was just so overwhelmed with, both her and Terry and their reviews, and they just meant so much to me. So I would love for you to support her channel as well. Again, it is True Once, and they both are on YouTube. So I'm also going to link their websites. I'm going to share them so that you can actually go watch the unboxing of both of these in their perspectives. And it's a really cool option to be able to see what other people are thinking. So I would love for you to support these wonderful ladies and what they do in their channels, as well as supporting me. And I thank you guys so much for being here and for supporting me on this dream come true that I've been doing for so long. And it's finally coming to fruition, and I have all of you to thank for that. So I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend, and I cannot wait to open the next box in May with you guys. So if you want to subscribe, please go to destinationdelivered.net and hit that subscribe button at the top, and you can subscribe from there. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.